Welcome back today. I'm back today with another beat. Welcome to my YouTube. I'm going to be making a South African trap beat today. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's your G Beto G. I create beat every day, show you how to make trap beat. Follow along as I'm going to produce this South African trap beat today. It's going to be nice and epic. Now, I'm going to launch my FL Studio like this. I'll just put my mouse here. Right click, and open my FL Studio. Now it's loading. I'm just going to wait a little bit for my FL Studio to load. That's it, it's loading. It's loading now. I'm going to create it, and now it's very good. Now my FL Studio has been successfully loaded, and that is it. As you can see, these are my instruments. I'm going to pick this kick today. First and foremost, before creating beats, make sure you pick good melodies. When you pick your preset, or first of all, when you pick your plugin, pick a good preset. Now, I'm going to click here on Art and pick Citrus for my first melody. Now, I'm going to put my mouse here, left click, hold the mouse wheel and turn it up to channel 5, and it's okay. Now, I'm going to click here and click on presets. That's it, and click on presets and pick my preset. I'll just pick this one called Mallet. That's it. I'll pick this one called Mallet. Since the mallet is not sounding very good, I'm going to pick this one called Percolator. And it's not sounding very good again. I'll make sure I pick the right. I'll make sure I pick the right preset that sounds very good. I'm going to use this one for the first melody. Now, before start programming my notes, creating my beat, I'm going to right click and click on piano roll. Now I'll first start by creating my first melody. Yes, that's it. This is my South African trap beat. I'll just create my melody like this. That's it. I've created 4 bars pattern. Now I'm going to click here, left click, hold it, highlight it to the left, and press Ctrl and B. Copy it to bars number 8. Now I'm going to click on Add and click on Citrus for my second melody. Another step is I'm going to put my mouse here, left click, hold it, turn it to channel 6. That's it. Now I'm going to right click and click on piano roll to program my second melody. That's it. I'm just going to program my second melody now like this. First of all, I'll just play all the notes now. I'll just click here and play all the notes. Now I've created 2 bars for my second melody. I'm going to left click, hold it, highlight it to the left, and press Ctrl B and copy it to bars number 8. That's it. Now I'm going to the next step is I'm going to program my hi-hat by right clicking and press on piano roll. That's it. First of all, I'll just click on my piano roll here. I will just right click and fill each 2 steps. That's it. And then I'll just play my melody all together. Then I'm going to bring my preset That's it. But since my hi-hat are not sounding very good, I'm going to turn on the volume up. That's it. That's my South African trap beat. I'm going to program my snare now. That's it. My snare is going to sound like this. That's how my snare is going to sound. That's it. And the next step is I'm going to program my kick now. And this is my kick. My kick is going to be the main source. Or just like right click, press piano roll. That's it. That's it. I'm going to click on the main sources. I'm going to click here and boost my kick. This is my South African trap beat. The next step is I'm going to put my mouse here like this. I'll right click and split by channel. As you can see, everything I've programmed has come out here. I'm just going to click on my kick and drop it on my playlist. Click on my hi-hats and drop it in my playlist. Click on my snare and drop it in my playlist. Click on my first melody and drop it on my playlist. This is a simple step to create South African trap beat. And click on the last melody and drop it on my playlist. Now I'm going to put my cursor here, left click, hold the left click button, highlight it to the left and press Ctrl and B to copy, to make it longer and to create the space for an intro and outro. I'm just going to copy my beat now by Ctrl and B. Is it? That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's my South African trap beat. That's it. Now the second step is I'm going to put my cursor here, right click and create automation click, and on the other melody right click and create automation clip. Now I'm going to let the beat play to the end and start back, and let's listen to the full South African trap beat. Now let me play it now. I'm just going to be spicing my beat by adding a sound organizer and right click and add another sound organizer. I'm just going to right click and create another automation clip. Now on the first melody, I'm going to click here and add a sound organizer. That's it. I'm going to click here. I'm going to put another sound organizer here. As you can see, I'm arranging the sound organizer. Now let's listen to the full South African trap beat now. Outro of my South African trap beat. See you next time and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time. Make sure you subscribe. See you tomorrow.